No, it's not. I closed it. No, it's not. Amy's got the trolley.
Watch close.
That one only goes up.
We need to go around to the
Close in.
Yeah, that one only goes up, baby.
More at home another day. More and more after sleep free. Yeah, we're going to press the lift, Andy.
So everyone's got their wristband, everyone's got their
Press the lift call, yeah? That's the these are the spot. And press the lift, Andy.
You can.
Let him past you, or he's going to knock one of you out.
With the friendly size video. Not this one.
I don't know that time that my watch is local. Oh, my watch has finally caught up with local time. But it's not as late as I thought.
So really it's half
I was still having an hour.
No. Wow, look at these. That's awesome. Here he is.
Here it is. Indeed. You got all your makeup on?
Yeah, it's all the makeup I've got.
Zero.
But I look really sunburned.
Why have you bought it on?
So I wanted to put some serum powder under my eyebrows. So I look a bit more alive. And not really
Do you know we're not very far away?
I know.
Here he is.
Just have some powder on it. Nope. Some quickly do pencil on the ends of my eyebrows. My fringe hasn't straightened. I straightened this in my eyebrows.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get ready. We're going to Disneyland. Are you excited to go Disneyland? Are you sure? Yeah, we're going to the lift. I'm going to see Disney in now. Yeah. What is it?
See you at Grantham Church then.
We are going to Disneyland. Yay! Are you excited? What is it? We are going to go to Disneyland.
Oh, is that the balloon?
Yeah.
We are going to Disney, Mummy.
I know, baby, yes.
Lucy in the balloon.
We just look at the castle. Castle. We're going to look at the castle one day. Going to the lift. It's Otis.
Where is this lift, Andy?
Otis.
You got to introduce your video. What lift is this?
Otis. Here we are, P1.
At.
And what Otis lift is it? Where are we?
Go to Disneyland.
Good idea.
Yeah. We're all going. Yeah, let's go. Here we are.
I'm only on 3G.
Rez-de-chaussée.
Thank you.
Indigo parking.
Wow. Are you going to Disneyland?
I've already got that.
Andrew, give it Daddy, please.
Thank you.
Watch the tail.
Oh, you going to have that?
Yeah, that's okay. Show us that. Do you want me to go and get another one?
Watch the tail.
Yeah, okay.
watch me.
I can't hear you, you have to use my other phone. Thank you.
It's 50 for next.
Don't worry. Hello?
Did you buy them as well?
Near one of the tills. Near one of the tills. We're probably at different tills. We'll just wait outside for you. I'm sending Annika back in anyway because she hasn't done anything yet.
Anyone
She'll come and find you.
Oh, cheers, thank you.
Okay?
Man.
Hi. I love your hat.
Yeah, I love you hat.
I love your hat, it's amazing.
Disney fashion, that's probably better than the one up there.
Disney fashion.
But that'll be our last shot. Yeah, I'm not going to push it. If we get back before 10, which we will, the shop will still be open. I can buy some coffee tomorrow. I want
Just look.
Do you want to take them and we'll go in there?
Yeah, but if there's hoodies, I need to come and look at them.
You filming it? I like the music play.
Right, we've changed our shopping tactic. The female folk have gone off into the shops. We've just been instructed if they find a decent Marvel hoodie, let me know and I'll come and have a look. Meanwhile, me and Andy are wandering up here, which is this massive court side. We'll come and have a look at this. And then I think we're taking back. He's getting very tired. We're all getting very tired.
Yeah, we're going up, yeah? So we're going up.
Can I take a picture? And smile. Go and smile. Look at the camera, look at me. Get the camera down. That's it, smile. Hey, good picture.
Well done.
Well done, yeah.
I'm paying. We'll do it another day, yeah? Watch me, Kevin. Let's get out of the way. Let's go. Oh, sorry.
Get these two toys.
I didn't get these for Anna showing us.
There's his wallet back there. Where's this? Yeah, I went past Rainforest Cafe in London.
Yeah, we're going to watch fireworks.
It's not a fire this time, then.
Yeah, we're going to watch fireworks. It's beyond fireworks on. Yeah. It's on fireworks. It's beyond fireworks. It's on fireworks on.
The fireworks from tomorrow, baby. Hey, Amy. This one I'll go with my Disney bounding.
Oh my goodness, I'm really jealous of those.
Maybe
Why
let you
did I
take a
have to be so
selfie.
ahead of myself?
I know.
Blah, blah, please.
I'm so annoyed.
Yeah. Back and look.
Oh, Andy, your hat's on the wrong way around. Turn it around. That way, look. Is that? Yeah, that way. Oh, no, Kevin, which way is that supposed to go around? Kevin, which
star character being Jeffrey, and everyone will have to try Jeffrey.
La bête, c'est bien. Évidemment, c'est basé, change de barbe.
Here we are, floor 0.
That's more like Jeffrey's Where is the lift?
There it is.
Was there some machines in the next level up? Right, stay here. Right. Okay.
Just be sure when we get back to our room, I need to start open to it.
Can you not
Go
talk about
there,
it?
go there.
Don't talk about it, 'cause I have to go first. And you don't get in here.
And wait, no, Andy, wait.
Wait a minute, down.
Daddy has to pay. Andy, don't wait, close it.
Yeah.
Daddy has to pay. So you have to wait there and then it's going to close it. Andy, wait.
There it goes.
Maybe it's worth getting the shuttle then.
Yeah, because that's going to cost an absolute fortune.
Andy's pressed the button.
Yeah.
Press the door.
Making sure you don't press
The two is locked.
Lucy, make sure you're in. The heels especially. Andy, stop.
Wow.
It's a slow elevator. A slow lift. Slow doors.
Just one, isn't it?
A slow doors.
Pressed all the buttons. I think we're on level 1.
Will you press one first?
Here we are.
So let's get up here.
Premier étage.
Yes.
First floor.
Oh no, but
You can watch the press the button go. Wow. There you go. Do it close up. There it goes. And you press the button. There we go.
Rupert,
Light the blue lights. That's it.
through the door, please.
He's still going to the hotel. Yeah.
We've got to go round the back to get to the lift.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you've got to stay down and wait for Mummy though, because Mummy's far behind. And we can't go on the lift without Mummy.
Here it is.
It's this lift, isn't it?
Yeah.
Andy, let's go to the toilet quickly.
We're waiting for the lift.
Andy, no, let's go to the toilet. What, should we go up? Yeah? Hey Andy, we're going to go up and Mummy will follow us.
Yeah.
Mummy's going to the toilet. And she'll come up. So it'll open this side. Let's go.
I'm waiting for Mummy.
We're going to wait for Mummy here?
Yeah.
Or do you want to go to the room?
Wait for Mummy.
Wait for Mummy here. Mummy will be in a few minutes. Careful.
Tyson Crab
Andy, we're
and
not going to
Morale.
go back on. Are you sure you don't want to go to the room? Mummy can meet us there? Careful, you'll hurt your hand. Andy, wait.
Here we are, RJ.
Thank you. I have to go in.
Come on, then. Yeah, he refused to leave without you. Which shows
I'm love.
kindness. But yeah, he didn't want to. He wanted to wait for you.
Oh, you're thank you, baby.
I feel like I've never done anything like that before. and I feel like a
Ground.
new person.
Ground floor.
Someone's
Ground
like,
floor with number 2. Here is our ground floor.
Yes, we're on the garden floor, Andy. Oh, our little apartment thing is all the way at the end. Oh, it's flies everywhere.
Can you hear the plane?
Yeah.
Not this one. Just wow. 1075. Just number 1106. Let's lift 103. Yeah.
He's in the garden,
Oh, where are we? Oh, well, man. Look at this. That's a beautiful one.
Andy, wait here, do not move, okay? Andy? You stay up here, yeah? You don't go anywhere else, yeah? Was it on this? Yeah, just sit down. Then we can film over there.
Is it in the help?
Yeah.
Let's get the pan, the camera. Wow. This is the home. That's the hotel. And for yourself, look at this. That's a lobby. That's a swing.
It is. So your
So
swing.
no one could not up there. Let's take a look at one more bin over the overlook. Do you see any sounds down there? Oh god, we look so good. But what's that right there? You know what I mean? That's the swimming gosh, the look is rush. Think it's right there with it. We'll check my box. Come we should.
Would you like a bath now?
Take a look here. Wow, there's a bit this. Oh, I love that. That's amazing. Oh, that's one of these. What's this like? Oh, so, oh gosh, guys, now that's it. These are amazing. They're amazing nowadays. So you got excellent up down from this amazing there. You can see all of them up there. They're amazing on the hotel. But you can see the hotel. Amazing. Looking so good, but that what this. So if you can see, oh, I just got the hotel floor. This is amazing. Wow, let's look at this. And then it's going to be long and long. That's down. That's the amazing. And that's it. Eat this again. See when the basic. Wow, look at that. This is amazing. Look at her. You can see the pan camera. Wow, that's amazing, Mel. That's amazing.